Hello and welcome back to the channel. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. In today's video, we will show you how to record on the Freesat Recordable 4K TV Box. If you've got the Freesat Recordable 4K TV Box and want to start recording live TV or schedule your favorite shows, this is your complete step-by-step guide. First, make sure you have the recordable version of the Freesat 4K box. It looks similar to the standard box, but it has a built-in hard drive, 500 GB, 1 TB, or even 2 TB. So let's get started. To record something you're watching live, simply press the red recording button on your remote. You will see an on-screen message confirming the recording has started. The program will be saved to your internal hard drive, and you can watch it later anytime. To record a show that's coming up, press the guide button on your remote. Find the show, press the red record button, and a red dot icon will appear that means it's scheduled. If you want to record every episode of that program on that channels, then choose Record Series from the options. If you try to record too many things at once, you might see a clash warning. When this happens, the box will ask you to cancel or reschedule one of the recordings. You can also go into the Scheduled Recordings menu to manage or prioritize your shows manually. To view your recordings, press Home, scroll to Recordings, and select from the list. You can play, delete, or lock recordings, and you'll also see how much storage space is available. With the Freesat 4K recordable box, you can also pause and rewind live TV. And there you have it. You're all set to record, schedule, and catch up on your favorite TV shows with ease on your Freesat recordable 4K TV box. If this video helped you out, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any future releases, and feel free to drop any questions down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.